Okay, good morning everybody. So I've been starting to work on the Willys. First thing to do was I would like to see how the engine was. So I've taken the cylinder head off. As you could see in the previous video, the spark plugs were corroded out of it. They were just broken off. So I thought this is gonna be a mess inside. So it took me all day yesterday to get the head off, and I was surprised to see that the engine looked not that bad. So as you can see, it's not quite that bad. So the engine was rebuilt. It has plus 20 oversized pistons, and to be honest, they look quite new. I don't think this rebuild was done that long ago. What they didn't do nicely is they didn't change the valves, and I can see that they had quite a hard life. I hope today I can take the radiator out, and also take maybe the front panel out, and if it works out fine, we're gonna take off the front fenders. Then I can have a better look at the chassis. I looked underneath, and the chassis looked quite good, except for the front part of the chassis. So, to be honest, I don't know what to do. Shall I repair the chassis or not? It's gonna be all depending of how it will look when the fenders are off. So first thing I'm gonna do is take the radiator out now, and then the front panel and the fenders, and I hope this project will be a lot of fun. Thanks guys, see you next time. Hello Philippines! Here we are again with a little bit of an update on our 1944 Willys Jeep. What I just found out from a member of the Willys Club in the United States, that my chassis number is 1943, not a 44. So it's 1943. For the moment I've managed to get the front fenders off, front panel, radiator, and most of the auxiliaries. Disconnected steering bars. Took me quite a long time to get all the bolts off. Every single bolt was stuck on. So also what we can see clearly is we need front end chassis repair. The front legs are not good. I had a good look, and I think I'm gonna replace it somewhere here. Underneath is good here. That part starts to get a lot worse. So front top left side, we're gonna change that. We're gonna change also this one. Somebody welded some tubes on it I don't know why. I think it was to support the front panel and the bonnet, maybe to sit on it, I don't know. Don't know why otherwise. As you can see, the right chassis leg top is completely gone. And underneath, that looks quite good, but we're gonna take a look when the front axle is off. Now I can clearly also see the VIN or the chassis number. Plate is still there. I also had some luck with the engine. It's not stuck. It's not stuck, so I managed to get it loose with some oil and some diesel, and it turns good now. What I also found out is that the body is still the original body, and I found under the paint the body number. And if I look up that body number with the numbers given by a Dutch guy, I think the chassis, body and engine are still like it left the factory. Found it quite strange because these Willys Jeeps were sometimes a couple of times rebuilt, I retreat, but like the numbers that I got now, it looks it could match all. Fuel tank is gone now and the seats are out, and I must say the floors are quite good. It had some repairs there underneath the side panels. Also this part where the fuel tank comes in, I'm pretty sure that's replaced. Some repairs on the boxes here inside. I don't see any holes here for the mounting, for the gun mounting. I don't know if that's like these, or there's a hole here, maybe it's covered up, I don't know. So I'm not sure if the floors are genuine or not. But for the moment it looks like the front and the back floor are still genuine and had some repairs done, but okay, it's there. Those, yes, toolboxes, they had a better life. You see they're very crusty. The back panel, you see some small repairs, but okay, we see. I'm pretty sure the back panel has some filler in it. And as you see, they fixed something over here. I don't like the repairs, so I probably think I'm gonna end with replacing these boxes, the inner wings or inner fenders, and the side panels. I don't know, not sure yet. So I will be only stuck then with front end floor plates, maybe the side panels. Gonna take a look. Or if you have any recommendations on what you should do. Yeah, it has to be sandblasted to see what's left of it. Chassis in the back is quite good. I only see a small repair there. So the next thing to do is to take the body off. I will put the body aside and start to work on the chassis. We'll take the axles off and have the chassis sandblasted. And I'm gonna see what's left of it, of course, and then we see until where we're gonna replace the front chassis legs. I'm not sure yet if I'm gonna do the tube, the body tube myself. Maybe I send it off to a specialist because yeah, I'm now in the Philippines, but within a couple of weeks I'm gonna be back in Europe, and then everything will be standing here. So maybe a good thing to do is to send the tube off to a specialist I found that restores the tube like new. I don't want to have it restored halfway, so I don't like to be cheap also, so I'm gonna buy completely new panels instead of repairing them. I know some people said repair those panels if you can, but if you have to weld in 10 plates, then it's enough for me. Then it's better to replace it with a panel that's aftermarket and that's made exactly like the original spec. But that's it for now. And if you have some comments or some suggestions, just send me a message. And see you soon. Thanks you. Bye.